I got this update and I am very eager to share it with you guys because I know how badly you guys want a free prop firm account. So that's why I'm sharing this with you guys. And note, if you are watching this right now, I want you to quickly do this and make sure you are able to get this right now as you're watching it, alright? Because this offer ends as soon as possible. That is why I'm even making this video right now so that you guys can be able to get it as soon as possible. All right, and this is one of the benefits you get when you subscribe to my Telegram channel, because I'll be dropping updates even before it gets to YouTube, so that you guys can be prepared to get this wonderful opportunity. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can claim a 10,000 free Profem account. And this is not a competition account, it is a free Profem account that you can trade with and withdraw from it, and you're getting it all for free without having to deposit any single money of your own. Right, so what I want you to do right now is to make sure you follow me closely, as I will show you every single details you need to know about how you can get this bonus. All right, this wonderful opportunity. Like I said, it's a 10,000 profit. Right, so this is their website right here. This is their website, and for you to get to this website, check the description. You find the link there. Click on the link. It is going to direct you to my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel. That is why I usually drop updates concerning no deposit bonus and crypto talks and how you can make money online. All right, so after joining my Telegram channel, you find the link to their website there. Click on the link and it's going to direct you to their website, which is something like this. All right, so the first thing is to register an account with them. So to register an account with them is simple. Just click on get started right here. Right, so as you can see, we have different accounts right here. We have, this is the 10k two-phase account. All right, as you can see, it is currently displaying $69. Right, there's nothing for you to worry about. I'll show you how you can get this for free. That is why you have to watch this video to the end. And as you can see, there is also 25,000 two-phase account, which is 179, but that is not why we are here in this video. We are here for the 10,000 free funded account. All right, so all you have to do right here is to click on purchase now. Click on purchase now, and after clicking on purchase now, click on this credit card right here. Click on this credit card right here. Right, after clicking on the credit card, it is going to direct you to another place. Right, so let's wait patiently for this to load. Right, it is currently loading, so we have to wait patiently for it to load. And if this is your first time of coming across this YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe, because I'm on a journey of showing you guys how you can make money online in 2025 without having to deposit any money of your own. And that is why I'll be dropping videos on this my YouTube channel for the next 30 days. So for you to be a part of this project, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also join my Telegram channel, because that is where I drop the updates first before coming to my YouTube channel. And if you have done that, I really appreciate you a lot. All right, so after waiting patiently for it to load, as you can see, we have different options to pay right here. And pay with this, and also you can pay with adding code. So I'll be giving you the code you have to add right now, and after adding the code, you see what's going to happen. All right, so don't forget, this is the 10,000 account right here. So just click on add code right here, and right here the code you have to input is MF10K. All right, and make sure everything is in capital letter. After adding it, then you click on apply right here. Click on apply and you wait patiently for it to load. As you can see, immediately it changed to $0. All right, so after clicking on this, after doing this, all you have to do right here is to click on this right here and input your email address right here. After inputting your email address, then you click on complete order. All right, so this is me after inputting my Gmail, and I have clicked on process. As you can see, thanks for your order. All right, so the next thing for us to do right now is just to head over to our Gmail and get our login details so that we can start trading with it. All right, and after passing the fees, then we can make our withdrawals on this platform. Right, so I'm making this video right now so that you can be able to do this very quickly. Right, so I hope you're able to get this. And if you are not able to get it, let me know what's stopping you in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so very much for watching, and have a nice day.